Good morning, students. This is Sagar sir, Zoology faculty. So, we will see this diagram we are observed here, thoracic vertebrae. It is also called rib cage or thoracic cage. So, yesterday we discussed the class thoracic vertebrae present in the 12 pairs bones are present. So, in this condition, bicephalic bones, these are mainly arrangements of the thoracic bones, mainly the made up of costal cartilage. So in this, in orderly discuss, first one, sternum. The sternum is a flat bone on the mid ventral of thorax. It is also called sternum. It consists mainly three parts. So what are they? So in this diagram observed, mainly first one superior part, second middle part, and third inferior part. The superior part is a manubrium, and second middle part is a body. Third one is a inferior part, xiphoid process. So these are parts provide space for the attachment of ribs and abdominal internal visual organs. So the mainly the rib cage, the ribs are three regions also present here. So the mainly manubrium, body, and xiphoid process. These are mainly first 1 to 7 thoracic ribs, also called vertebrosternal ribs, and 8 to 10 ribs are also called false ribs. These are also called vertebrochondral ribs. Third one, floating ribs. These are 11 and 12. So T11, T12. These are also called floating ribs. It is not working there, but it is a rib cage consist here. So the thoracic case, pectoral girdle, anterior view we are observed here. So this is a ventral view. We are see this structure clearly. The students, once again the review the class. Axon-skeleton system consists mainly three parts: skull, vertebral column, rib cage. The first discuss skull. Skull have present 22 bones. First one, cranial bones, facial bones. Cranial bones are 8, facial bones are 14. We are also well known about this. And the vertebral column is a mainly 33 bones, but in adult stage is a have 26 bones are present here. The vertebral column is also called vertebrae. So in these regions have 5 types: cervical vertebrae, thoracic vertebrae, lumbar vertebrae, sacrum vertebrae, last one coccyx vertebrae. So in this manner, the cervical vertebrae is also called cervical bones, thoracic vertebrae also called thoracic bones, lumbar vertebrae is also called lumbar bones, the sacrum bones is also called sacrum vertebrae, coccyx vertebrae also called coccyx bones. So and third part is a rib cage. It is also called thoracic cage. The thoracic have mainly 12 pairs bones are presented. So in this manner, three regions: true ribs, false ribs, floating ribs. True ribs 1 to 7, false ribs 8 to 10, and floating ribs 11 and 12. So in this mainly thoracic vertebrae is also called rib cage, and in this mainly region superior part, middle part, inferior part. Thank you.